have the Spyderco Native 5. This is in a crucible CPMS90V, and the item number on this particular Spyderco is C41CFFP5. I don't quite understand Spyderco's model numbers yet, but that's something I'm learning. So this is a carbon fiber handle with a locking mechanism, and has a beautiful shiny, I love these shiny or satin pocket clips that people do. I love the jimping on this. This is just a great size knife. For how small the blade is, you still get a full size handle. You can choke up on it. Keep in mind, I have a large hand and I can still get that completely in my hand. It is a two-handed close. It does have the Spidey hole, but what I see with all the lockbacks, because the lock continually rubs on that, it is really hard to flick open. You can get it, but you really got to use a lot of wrist to it. I won't attempt it here with this low clearances, but all the fit and finish on it's absolutely beautiful. They do this duck paddle finish out here, and that really, not finish, the size, shape, and that really helps get it under your pocket and just goes in a lot more smooth than you would expect it to. Great looking knife. Love the blade steel, love the handle material. Take a look at it and check the website for our current pricing and all the sizing information. Thank you very much.